Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. I recently tried the Naturium Vitamin C Complex Cleanser, and I must say it's become a staple in my skincare routine. Priced at $19 for a generous 210 ml, this cleanser boasts a powerful formula that combines two forms of vitamin C, phytic acid, and fruit enzymes, including papain and bromelain. The gel cleanser not only effectively dissolves makeup, oil, dirt, and impurities, but also provides a gentle exfoliation that instantly brightens the skin. One of the standout features is its ability to deep cleanse without stripping the skin, leaving it feeling clean, soft, and refreshed. The Vitamin C Complex Cleanser contains both ascorbic acid, pure vitamin C, and ethyl ascorbic acid, high-purity stabilized form of vitamin C. This dual approach ensures a potent antioxidant effect, promoting overall skin health. The inclusion of phytic acid, a naturally occurring acid from plant sources, adds to the cleanser's effectiveness in brightening and revitalizing the skin. I appreciate the versatility of this product, suitable for both morning and evening use. It can be applied to wet or dry skin, lathered, and then rinsed off before following up with a serum and moisturizer. The suggested dose is just a few pumps, making it a convenient and efficient addition to my skincare routine. Moreover, Naturium's commitment to cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and dermatologist-tested products aligns with my preference for clean beauty. The thoughtful formulation and ethical considerations make this cleanser a standout choice for those seeking effective and conscientious skincare. In conclusion, the Naturium Vitamin C Complex Cleanser is a delightful addition to my skincare regimen. Its brightening and cleansing properties, coupled with the commitment to clean and ethical formulations, make it a product I would gladly recommend to others.